Hello students, this is the 16th part of permutations and combinations. Today I am going to explain problems based on circular permutations. So this is today's first problem. In how many ways a father and his 5 children can be arranged around a circle so that father always sit in a particular seat? Students, listen, this is the table, circular table. So 5 children plus 1 father gives 6 persons. Without condition, if these 6 persons are arranged around the circle, means you can say that 6 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 5 factorial ways you can arrange. What are the condition? Father should take a particular seat. What is the condition? That father always sit in a particular seat. For example, that particular seat is this is the particular seat. Father should be take this place. So remaining 5 children should be placed at remaining places. After taking father this place, automatically remaining arrangement becomes linear only, because father is taken as a particular place. So that's why remaining 5 children you want arrange around the table, that become the linear permutations now. So 5 factorial ways you can arrange. So the required number of permutations is 5 factorial. Okay, you need to write actually. So the required number of permutations arrangements equal to just 5 factorial, that is equal to 120. After father taking this place, remaining 6 children can be arranged around the table linearly, that is 5 factorial ways. Student, next question. In how many ways 8 guests and a host can be arranged around a circle if 2 particular guests wish to sit on either side of the host? Okay. So 8 guests plus a host gives 9 persons. Without any condition, these 9 persons can sit around the table in 9 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 8 factorial ways. What are the condition? Always 2 particular persons should be either side of the host. What are the 2 particular persons not mentioned? I am assuming that G1 and G2 are 2 particular persons. They wish to sit either side of the host. Okay. What is the meaning of that? G1 host, G2 is taken as one unit. G3, G4, G5, G6, G7, G8. Okay. So this is taken as one unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 units around the circle you can arrange in 7 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 6 factorial ways. Okay. The required number of permutations equal to, student, 6 factorial. But what happened in this 6 factorial? G1 and G2 are either side of H, and that too G1 first and G2 next. That is not mentioned. No, these 2 particular persons either side of the H, they can change their places. No, G1 and G2 can change their places in 2 factorial ways. That's why what I can say, 6 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal 720 into 2, that is equal 0, 4, 14, 40 ways you can arrange so that 2 particular persons are either side of the host. Yeah. Next problem, students. Find the number of ways in which 6 men and 4 ladies can sit around a table. Okay. 6 men plus 4 lady gives 10 persons. Without any condition, these 10 persons can arrange around the table in 9 factorial ways. But some conditions are given. No 2 ladies come together. No 2 ladies come together. What is first one? No 2 ladies come together. What should do, Nana? First of all, we want to arrange the men. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 men you can arrange around the table in 6 minus 1 factorial ways, 5 factorial ways. Okay. The required number of permutations number of permutations what I can 6 minus 1 factorial, that is 5 factorial. But operation is not completed. No, what is that? What they saying that no two ladies come together. How many ladies? 4 ladies. No two ladies come together. Ladies can take this place or this or this or this or this or 6 places are there for 4 ladies. 6 places are there for 4 ladies. 6p4 ways you can arrange into 6p4. This is the answer for the problem. 5 factorial into 6p4, so that no two ladies come together. Okay, first of all you want to arrange the men. There are 6 men around the table. 5 factorial ways you can arrange. In each arrangement we will have 6 empty places for 4 ladies, so we can arrange them in 6p4 ways. Okay, 5 factorial into 6p4, that is the answer for the problem. So what is the next one? B. All the ladies must come together. All the ladies. So lady 1, lady 2, so on. Lady 4. What is the next? Men 1, men 2, so on. Men 6. So what is thing? All these ladies taken as one unit. Okay, 1, these 6, 7 units. These 7 units around the circle you can arrange in 7 minus 1 factorial ways, 6 factorial ways. Okay. Next, the girls can change their places. The ladies can change their places in 4 factorial ways. That's why 6 factorial into 4 factorial. After one arrangement circular, remaining thing becomes linear only. That is important thing here. First of all, what should do, the all girls are taken as one unit. Okay. So 6 men and this one unit 7. These 7 objects can arrange around the table in 7 minus 1 factorial, 6 factorial ways. Take each permutation of 6 factorial. All ladies are at one place only, and that too L1 first, L2 next, so on L4. But what is the thing? They should sit together. That's all. So that they are mentioned that the order of the girl. No, that's why ladies. No, that's why what should do, these 4 girls can change their places in 4 factorial ways. That's why each permutation gives 4 factorial linear permutation. That's why 6 factorial and 4 factorial ways you can arrange so that all girls are come together. Okay. Next problem. Find the number of Garland problems. Here Garland. Find the number of garland that can be made using 6 different colored flowers taken 4 at a time. Listen, 6 different colored flowers are there. 6 colors, different colored flowers are there here. This is first flower, this is second flower, assume this third flower, this is fourth flower. Student, this is the 6th flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how many? 6 different color, 6 different. Okay, no problem. Assume that these are 6 different colored flowers. Right? Both are red, but assume that they are different. Okay, 6 different color flowers are there. Now we want to make a garland without any condition. What I can say? 6 minus 1 factorial by 2. But what is the condition? 4. 4 only you want. From that 4 you only want. What should do? First of all, you want to choose 4. First of all, you want to choose 4 from 6. How many ways? 6 C 4 ways you can choose. After choosing 4 flowers, you want to make a garland up with that 4. What happened, Anna? That is nothing but 4 minus 1 factorial by 2 factorial. Or 2, just I can say 2. So 6C4 into 4 minus 1 factorial by 2, that is 6C4 into 3 factorial by 2. This is the answer for the problem number. What is this? 7. 7. What 7 saying that? You want to make garland with 4 flowers only from 6. That's why first of all you want to choose any 4 you can choose. 6B4. After choosing those 4 flowers, you want to make a garland. How many ways? And 4 minus 1 factorial by 2. So simplify, what will get? That is the answer. So I already explained how to find the value of 6P4. So NCR n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 means 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial by 2. This is 720. This is 6. This is 2. This is 24. This is 2. 6 4s are. Okay. 2 360s are. 4 90s are. 2 45s are. So what I can say? There are 45 different type of garlands you can create. I hope you people understood this. Okay, what next, Nana? Eighth one. Find the number of ways in which 6 red roses and 3 white roses, 6 red and 3 white roses of different size can be made out from a garland so that no two white roses come together. No two white roses come together means, first of all you want arrange red roses, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red roses you can arrange around the table in 6 minus 1 factorial by 2, that is 5 factorial by 2. Why I am dividing two garland problems? No? Only one direction we need to count. So each arrangement will have 6 blank places for 3 white roses. So how many ways you can arrange? 6 p 3 ways you can arrange. Therefore, what is the total permutation? 5 factorial by 2 into 6 p 3 ways you can arrange so that no two white roses come together. Okay, that is one thing. Next one is all white roses come together. That also I will explain. All white roses come together. Okay, that is the last problem, that is B. All white, how many are? 3 are there, W1, W2, W3, remaining red roses, R1, so on, R6. What is the condition? All white flowers come together. All these white flowers is taken as 1 unit, Nana. 1, 6, 7. These 7 flowers can be arranged around the table in 7 minus 1 factorial by 2 ways. And these white roses can change their places in 3 factorial ways. That's why into 3 factorial. That is 6 factorial by 2 into 3 factorial. What we will get? That is the answer. 720 into 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6, 0, 6, 2, 1, 6, 0. Garland you can create by using those 6 red roses and 3 white roses with the given condition. Yes, students, our next problem, objective type problem. A round table conference is to be held between 20 delegates of 20 countries. Means 20 delegates totally, 20 persons. Okay. The number of ways in which they can be seated if 2 particular delegates are always to sit together. 2 particular delegates, say person 1 and person 2 want to sit together. This is person 3, so on to person 20. So what should do, Nana? These 2 persons are taken as 1 unit. This here total 20, no, 20, 18 plus 1, 19 units. You want to arrange these 19 units around the circle. You can arrange 19 minus factorial ways. Okay. One more thing is these 2 persons can their places in 2 factorial ways. So second operation I can say in 2 factorial. Total answer is 18 factorial into 2 factorial ways. 18 factorial ways correct. So that 2 particular delegates always sit together. Okay. The number of ways in which 5 men and 5 women and 12 children, 5 men plus 5 women and 12 children gives that is 10, 22 persons are sit around a circular table so that children are always sit together. Children are always sit together means all these 12 children are taken as 1 unit. Okay, Nana? Here 5 women, 5 men. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 11. These 11 units should be arranged around the table in 11 minus 1 factorial way, that is 10 factorial ways. And the children, 12 children can change their places in 12 factorial ways. So what I can say? 10 factorial into 12 factorial. Yeah, this is the answer for the problem. Next problem. 20 persons are invited for a party. The different number of ways in which they can be seated at a circular table with no 2 particular person seated on either side of the host. No 2 particular, with 2 particular persons want to sit either side of the host. Same, this type of problem already we discussed. Host, guest 1 and guest 2. So what happened? Guest 1, guest 2 should sit either side of the host. total remaining 20, no, here G3, so on G20. Okay, na, this is the here we have 20 persons, here 2 persons gone, 18 plus 1, 19 units, 19 units around the table in 19 minus 1 factorial ways you can arrange, and these two guests can change their place into factorial ways. So finally what I can say that 18 factorial into 2 factorial ways you can arrange, so that two particular persons should sit either side of the host. 18 factorial into 2 factorial is the answer for the problem. Okay, so next, 7 men are to be sit around a circular table such that there is a man on either side of every woman. The number of seating arrangements here, interesting problem, Anna. So this is the circular table. So first of all take men, Anna. This is men 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after these 7 men take their places, in between them we will have 7 places for 7 women. Obviously this arrangement will satisfy given conditions. No? What happened? First of all, we want to arrange all the 7 men around the table in 7 minus 1 factorial, that is 6 factorial ways. So after that we have 7 ladies, 7 women in 7 places, themselves can arrange in 7 factorial ways. So what is the answer? 6 factorial into 7 factorial ways can arrange, so that men on either side of every woman. The number of circular permutations of 7 dissimilar things taken 5 at a time. 7 dissimilar things are taken 5 at a time. So listen students, we want to arrange the 5 elements around the table, 5. That is 5 minus 1 factorial ways, 4 factorial ways we can arrange. But that 5 should be chosen from 7. How means 7C 5 ways you can choose none. We can choose 5 things from 7 in 7C 5 ways. After choosing these 5 should be arranged around the circular table in 5 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 4 factorial ways. Therefore the answer for the problem is 7C5 into 4 factorial. 7 factorial by 7 minus 5, 2 factorial into 5 factorial into 4 factorial. This is 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 2 into 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 5 factor 5 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are 21 into 24. What will get? That is the answer. I think you will get 504. So 504 is the answer for the problem. Okay. So next question. The number of ways in which 8 red roses and 5 white roses of different sizes can be made out of from a garland, so that no 2 white roses come together. No 2 white roses. First of all, you want to arrange 8 red roses. Okay, you want to make a garland with 8 red roses. This can be happen in 8 minus 1 factorial by 2 nana. Okay, next what happened? In between 8 gaps you can insert 5 white flowers, so that happen in 8p5 ways. So what is the answer for this? 7 factorial by 2 into 8p5 ways you can arrange, so that no 2 white roses come together. So 7 factorial by 2 to 8p5, this is the answer for this. Okay, next 7th problem. The number of ways that a garland can be made out of 6 red roses and 4 white roses of different sizes, so that all white roses come together. 4 white roses, W1, W2, W3, W4 be taken as one unit. Remaining red roses R1, R2 and R6. This is all these red roses are taken as one unit, Nana. These 6 plus 7 roses can be arranged as a garland in 7 minus 1 factorial by 2 ways. Again these red roses can change, the white roses can change their places in what? 4 factorial ways. Therefore what I can say, 6 factorial by 2 into 4 factorial. But you need to simplify that. 720 into 24 by 2. 2 1s are 2 12s are. Okay, what happened here? 72 12s are. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 72, 4, 6. What is the answer? 8640. 8640. So what I can say answer is this. First one is correct answer. Okay. Okay students, next eighth problem. The number of ways in which 4 men and 4 women are sit for a dinner at a round table, so that no two men are sit together. No two men are sit together. First of all, we want arrange women. Anna. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 women around the table. You can arrange 4 men on factorial, 3 factorials you can arrange. Okay. After that, we have 4 gaps for 4 men. We can arrange 4p 4 ways. That's 4 factorial. That's 3 factorial into 4 factorial ways you can arrange. But we need to simplify this. 4 factorial is 24, that is 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 14, 144 ways you can arrange. So what I can say, 2 is the answer for the problem. Okay, next problem. The number of ways in which 7 men can sit at a round table, so that all shall not have the same neighborhood. This is very important model. I already explained this model. All men, actually men, not a Garland problem, actually men problem only. If we under this condition have no same neighborhood, means this problem is treated as Garland problem and one arrange. What I can say, 7 minus 1 factorial by 2 ways you can arrange, that is 6 factorial by 2 ways you can arrange, that is 720 by 2, that is equal to 360 arrangements exist. Okay, so shall not have the same neighborhoods, means only one direction you want count. Okay students, our next problem, these two are not belongs to circular permutation concept, general miscellaneous problem, actually linear permutations. So circular permutation concept completed. So eighth problem, the number of ways in which the candidates A1, A2, so on A10 can be ranked if A1 is always above A2. So this is important model. This type of problems already discussed. Do one thing, for example, A1, A2, so on A10 are 10 persons. Just arrange these 10% in these 10 blank places. Okay, such a way that actual what the condition, A1 is always above the A2. That's why first of all separate A1 and A2 nana. No, remaining 8 persons are there, that A3 to A10. These 8% if arranged in these blank places which are arranged in a row and which having 10 blank places, we can arrange in 10p8 ways. Okay, take any one of the permutations of 10p8 that will have 2 blank places. For example, these are the 2 blank places. So what the condition, A1 is always above the A2. A1 rank should be greater ranker than, best rank than A2. Then what is the meaning of that? First place I can give for A1 and second place I can give for A2. Take any one of the 8p2, for example, these two are 2 blanks as for that. So first blank I can give for A1 and second blank I can give for A2. What is the meaning of that? The required number of permutation nothing but 10p8 only. 10p8 only. So 10p8 is the answer, but answer is not given clearly. Now I want to simplify that. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this one only, into 2 I want, into 2 into 1 I want, just I multiplied and divided with these two. Now this is nothing but 10 factorial by 2. So my answer is 10 factorial by 2, that is 3. Okay. A1 is always above A2. Okay. Okay students, next ninth problem, same model. The number of ways in which 10 candidates A1 to A10 can be ranked if A1 is just above A2. A1 is just above A2. A1 is just above means A1 A2 should be together. Okay, A1 and A2 is taken as one unit. So remaining here 8 plus 1 9 candidates can their places in 9 factorial ways. Just A1 is above A2, that's all. A1 is above A2. So what is my answer? I can say that 9 factorial is the required number of permutations. Students listen, A1, A2, A3, so on A10. So what is the condition? A1 is just above A2. A1 is just above A2. First, for example, A1 is first rank, A2 second rank, and remaining third rank and so on. Or A3 will get first rank and A9 will get second rank and then after A1 and then after A2, then after some members. What is the meaning of that? A3 got first rank, A2, A9 got second rank, A1 got third rank, A2 got fourth rank. So what happened? This is satisfying given condition of A1 is just above A2, just above A2. What is the meaning of that? A1, A2 are taken as one unit nana. So remaining 8 plus 1, 9. These 9 persons can arrange themselves in 9 factorial ways. That will be the answer. Among all these 9 factorial arrangements, A1 is left hand side of A2 only. So what I can say, 9 factorial is the required number of arrangements. Okay, next. The letters of the word labor are permuted in all possible ways and words thus formed are arranged as dictionary. Then find the rank of the word labor. So this type problem already explained. First of all, you need to write alphabetical order of the letters nana. What is first A, next B, next L, next O, next R, U. Okay. So what should do nana? Here we need to draw a box. How many? 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As it is, you write letter now. L, A, B, O, U, R. No digit is repeating, that is a big problem. Yeah, first of all, in dictionary order, some words will start with A. Actually, these by using these 6 letters, you can make 6 factorial different 6 letter words. If those are arranged in dictionary order, we want to find the position of this word. Okay. Among the 6 factorial words, 720 words, some will start with A, some will start with B, so on. Okay. First of all, I want to find how many words will start with A. See, L, A. So we need to find number of words started or starting with A. Directly I want that is 5 factorial. Starting with B should find that also 5 factorial. After that, students, no, next actually starting with L actually. No need to count how many are starting with L. Actually starting with L also another 5 factorial, but no need to find because in that 5 factorial only our word will be. That's why no need to find. L taken to fixed. Cancel it now. L, A. How to find? Like this. L, A next. L, A. Actually we want to find how many letters will start with L, A. Here also no need to find L, A because our letter only started with L, A. That's why A is fixed and A is cancelled. After that, L, A, B in dictionary order, L, A, B, that also no need to find because B can coincide, cancelled. After that, L, A, B, O. Next letter is L, A, B, O. That also fixed nana because O cancelled. So what is next? L, A, B, O, R. Should find R and U not same. So what is the next word? L, A, B, O, R. How many? 1 factorial. Okay. After that, L, A, B, O, U. U taken fixed place. L, A, B, O, U, R. What is the meaning of the next word only? Labor. L, A, B, O, U, R. That is equal to 1. Add all these. What we will get? That is the rank of the word. 120, 240, 242. I can say that 242 is the rank of the word. Means actually 720 words will create nana. All those words are written in dictionary order. The position of the word labor is 242. Logically I counted.